Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox login easy and quick. First click here and now type view advanced system settings and then click performance, click settings and then adjust for best performance, click apply and then OK and go back and then click here and open background apps. Now turn off this option. You will find it like that. Turn it off and then go back, and after that click here and then open game mode settings. And now turn on this option and go to captures, go to game bar and then turn it off. You will find it like that. Turn it off and graphics settings. Now if you want to take the risk and to overclock your GPU, that will help you to improve your FPS, but you have to turn it off later when you're done playing, and that's it. And now before launching Roblox, open task manager and then you will find yourself here. Just click on memory and then you will see applications that may take memory from Roblox when you're playing. So just close the applications that you know what they do, like Google Chrome, Index and Wallpaper Engine, and also all the applications here that you don't need while playing. And that's it. Make sure Roblox got enough memory, and after that just go ahead and try again. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.